Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Preeti, consultant Aishwarya Fertility Center, Malakpet branch. Today we are going to discuss a very important topic. What is the impact of smoking and alcohol on semen analysis, and ultimately what difficulty the couple might have to conceive because of this. Usually when a young couple comes for evaluation to a fertility center, the doctor might be asking n number of questions regarding your lifestyle, regarding various diseases, regarding your addictions, which might have an impact on your fertility testings. So one of the most important thing they ask is about your addictions. Now most frequent addiction among male partner is he can be a smoker or he might be an alcoholic. And usually wife will ask you whether those are the things because of which she is not able to conceive. So we are going to discuss the impact of two important things, smoking and alcohol, on semen analysis report. So let us discuss about smoking first. What actually smoking causes? Now tobacco smoke contains n number of toxic chemicals, the most important of which is carbon monoxide, nicotine, hydrocarbons and toxic heavy metals. What exactly it can cause? Usually it may decrease the blood flow to your testes, so that blood flow is reduced, which ultimately impact the production of sperms. Now for occasional smokers, the impact might not be too much. But for chain smokers, heavy smokers, over a period of time, what exactly happens is, count may not have that much impact, but the quality of sperm goes drastically down. Most important of which is the motility of sperm. The motility is drastically reduced over a period of time, and as the number of years passes, it might drastically go down. We all know that motility is one important factor which is very important for spontaneous conception or even for planning small treatment like IUI. So motility, and apart from that, the structure of sperm itself might become defective, what technically we call as high DFI or DNA fragmentation index. So the sperm itself might show multiple minor defects in their chromosomes, which might lead to inability or less ability of sperm to fertilize the egg. So if you are a smoker, please cut down your chain habit. The second common thing is alcoholism. Now what alcohol can do? See, social drinkers or occasional drinkers might not have any impact on their semen analysis. But heavy drinkers, binge drinkers, consistent drinkers, in all of them what can happen is, over a period of time, alcohol can decrease the testosterone production. What is testosterone? It is a very important male sexual hormone. So when testosterone decreases, the brain hormones automatically gets decreased, which ultimately leads to decreased production of your sperm. And over a period of time, actually, the size of your testes also goes down. So what can happen is, apart from count, motility, your structure of sperm also gets defective. So these two important things are very much modifiable. That means if you stop it over a period of time or after 3 to 6 months, you might see an improvement on your semen analysis. Maybe a simple reduction in your habit can lead to easy pregnancy. That's all for it. Thank you.